So, hello guys, you are welcome in my channel Mr.I.C. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own bass speaker, or this time I'm going to uh, make one portable. I mean to say that which can be powered by its own battery, no need of any other power supply, and can be recharged. We are going to use some materials. First of all, this is PAM8403 amplifier. As you can see over here, it's a PAM8403 amplifier with a potentiometer. If you want, you can buy without potentiometer also, as you wish, and a aux cable. If you are not having this, then you can buy these kind of aux pen, which are easily available and are cheap. And then we are going to need a lithium polymer cell. It's a 3.7 volts battery, 18650 battery, and a charger. It's a TP4056 module in combination with DW01 and other charge protection ICs. You will also need this bass speaker. This is a bass speaker. This is a small one and this is a bigger one, as you can see. Let's get started. The connections are mentioned over this board. As you can see over here, it's a right output, it's a left output, and these are the power supply, and these are left, right and ground wires. I'm going to connect and show you the working. Guys, before the connections, I have made this board. I mean, it's not much visible, but I have stuck this baker's one and the smaller one down, and made the box out of a cardboard. It's just nothing but a cardboard, as you can see, and it's big enough. In fact, it's not able to cover in my camera also, as you can see. Now I'm going to connect this amplifier somewhere here or there, and this charging module, and then covering the whole box. Guys, after connecting the wires of amplifier, which is over here, please amplifier over here and the charging board is over here, as you can see. And made proper holes, and I have left two wires open for the battery. These are for the battery terminals, and here is the charger, and the regulator for the amplifier is over here. Let me test it for the first time. Now guys, I have temporarily connected, or set, you can say, I have hold the battery in my hand, and now switching it on, and here and here is a video. You can see it's very loud, and it's working from here only. and it's a bass. I can show you. In fact, this is not the full one. This is the full one. Now I'm going to close the board and complete the video. Now guys, I have packed the box also, as you can see, and here is my aux cable which is coming out, and I have left a hole open over here and this flap also. If you want to remove this, you can do that also. This hole is for the sound which will come out, as it's a bass. We can't let the vibration inside it. It will affect our speakers. Now I'm going to connect the aux wire for the final test. As you can see, the headphone symbols have come over here. Now here's a video. And it's not full at this time. Now I'm going to increase the volume. Now it can be easily charged from the power bank also. Here is my power bank. I have switched off these speakers, plugging it in. You can see a red light has occurred. After the full charge, the red light will become blue or the other color. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you like. Please subscribe to my channel, Mr.I.C. Thank you guys.